Maduro's wife appears with strange injuries on her face, tension inside the courtroom as they plead not guilty. What happened was shocking, a full denial of the charges and visible injuries in a New York courtroom. The first judicial confrontation for Nicolas Maduro and his wife after the U.S. military operation. What happened inside the courtroom? And what is the fate of Maduro's wife? In a striking development that moves the U.S.-Venezuelan conflict into the halls of justice, Venezuela's ousted president Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores appeared before a federal court in New York State in their first hearing since being detained during a U.S. military operation described as sensitive and unprecedented. The session carried political, legal, and humanitarian dimensions, opening the door to wide-ranging questions about the course of the case and its repercussions. What is the truth behind the injuries that appeared on his wife's face? And could these details affect the course of the trial? During the hearing, Maduro categorically denied all federal charges against him, telling the judge that he is still the president of Venezuela, a stance observers described as a political message rather than a purely legal defense. The denial came amid intense media scrutiny, given the sensitivity of the case and its entanglement with sanctions and strained relations between Washington and Caracas. What drew particular attention inside the courtroom was the appearance of Celia Flores with clear signs of injury on her face, prompting her defense team to raise health concerns directly. Her lawyer, Mark Donnelly, informed federal judge Alvin Hellerstein that his client suffered what he described as serious injuries during her detention over the weekend, pointing to the possibility of severe bruising or fractures in the rib area and the need for comprehensive medical examinations. The defense went further, arguing that what occurred during the military operation cannot be separated from the use of excessive force, a characterization that opens a delicate legal debate over the circumstances of the arrest and respect for humanitarian standards for defendants. Between the denial of charges, claims of legitimacy, and the introduction of health concerns inside the courtroom, the case of Maduro and his wife enters a new phase defined by open judicial confrontation as international circles watch closely to see where the trial will lead and whether it will remain within a legal framework or turn into another arena of international political conflict.